Welcome everyone on behalf of Pacific International and Asian Group Distributor. On our site, you can easily book domestic and international hotels. First, open your browser and search for asiangroupdistributor.org. Enter the site and you will see our website. If you are already logged in, the dashboard option will appear. If not, you will see the login option. For instructions on how to log in, please watch our previous videos linked on the site. Click on Dashboard to access the main dashboard. Select the hotel option and the hotel search page will appear. To search for a hotel, enter the city name where you want to book a hotel in the Search Place section. After selecting the city, choose the check-in and check-out dates. Select the number of members and the number of rooms. Click Search and you will see a list of all available hotels. The type of hotel will be mentioned in this section. Use the filter option to find a hotel that meets your needs. If you want to select a hotel based on distance, select the distance option and apply the filter. This will show hotels based on distance from your specified location, with the nearest hotels appearing first. On the right side, you will see the total bill for total stay for the next 7 days, as we previously selected 7 days. Reviews and VAT details will also be displayed. If there are any special amenities like breakfast, they will be mentioned as well. For more details, click on View Details. This will show pictures of the hotel rooms and additional amenities available. Once you find a hotel you like, click on Book Now. This will take you to the booking page. Provide the customer's name, email, and phone number. Since I previously selected 4 adults, it is important to provide details for all 4 customers. After entering all the information, click Continue to book and hold. This will hold your hotel room for booking confirmation. We will contact you to confirm your booking. For any assistance, please contact our customer care. Thank you for using our service.